Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? So today I have this special tutorial for you guys. In this makeup look right here, I wanted to do something with Easter, of course. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it with all my heart, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this look so far. So if you do, just keep on watching, and just get this tutorial started. So excuse my face, I have been breaking out like crazy. Like, I don't know what is going on, but I've been breaking out. So now I just have like some scars here and there, but just don't pay attention to that. But yes, I already did my brows, and I already put some concealer on my lids. So the palette I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Jaclyn Hill makeup palette with Morphe. So the color I am going to be getting right now, that I'm going to be using as my transition color, it's the color Creamsicle is the color I'm going to be placing. Just a blend. And this brush right here that I have, it's from I think it's called, oh, I don't remember. So are you guys excited for Easter? Because I really am excited for Easter. I love Easter. And my kids are super excited, and I can't wait. But that day we do wake up at 5 in the morning to go to church. So I have to wake up super early to go to church. I have to be there, I believe they said 4 or 4:30, I don't recall. So now I'm going to be getting the color Jada. This is the brush right here, just a little close-up. And I'm going to be adding that color just right here on the outer corner, like so. So back with the same brush right here, and I'm just going to blend. Try to blend these two colors together. So just remember, blending is the key. It is a little bit tiring, of course, but the results are amazing. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the color Jada to the outer corner right here. That's a very beautiful color. This is actually my first time using this color. So remember, we're just packing and blending, Okay, so now I'm going to be getting my concealer right here, and this one is from L'Oreal, the Infallible Full Wear, and it's in the shade Biscuit 350, and I'm just gonna place it right here. Look up. So I'm just gonna cut the crease very quick. I'm just gonna get my sponge and just pat this down. So I'm gonna be getting this product right here, and I'm just gonna be removing the color so our brush can be nice and clean. So I'm going to be getting the color Royalty, and it's like a very beautiful purpley color. And I'm going to tap very quick, and I'm just going to press the product in right there. So I've got a different brush, and this one is the Sigma E56 brush. So I'm trying to be more precise on the edges right here. I'm going to add the color Pool Party, and I'm going to add this in the middle between right here. So next, I'm just going to clean up all this fallout that I got. Once we add our lashes, everything is going to come into place. So next I am going to curl my lashes. So I'm going to be using the Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and it is from Maybelline, and I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. So for the lashes, I'm going to be popping these on. These are the Has of lashes and the style Iconic. I love these lashes. And you guys know the glue that I love. It's this one right here from Star Glue, and this one is in the color Dark. I'm gonna wait till the glue gets a little bit tacky and we'll be back. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add my primer right here, and it's the Becca Matte Primer. I'm actually gonna mix it with a little bit of my Too Faced as well. I'm gonna mix it with this one, blend these together very quick, and then just add. So here is the lashes, and I'm just gonna pop these on very quick. And the foundation I'm adding is this one right here. This foundation, it's the LA Girl Pro Coverage. And this is in the color, what color is it? Nude beige. And here's this sponge. And this sponge I actually ended up getting at the my local Dollar General. So this is my first time I'm trying it. It actually covered. And I am getting the Wet n Wild Contour Stick. And this is in the color Call Me Maple. So I'm just going to get this e.l.f. brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and... So I'm just going to add a little bit of my concealer. And this one is the L'Oreal. I'm just going to add a little bit. So this one is the setting powder that I'm going to be using, and it's the Too Faced Born This Way setting. All over here, because I do intend to get very oily all over my mouth. Just going to add a little bit right here. So next I'm going to come with this brush right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the setting powder. So I'm just going to come in with this Sonia brush. You guys know I use this a lot. I'm going to be coming in with the Kat Von D shade in Light Contour palette. These two right here. I'm going to be getting this palette right here. As you can see, so I'm going to be mixing these two colors together right there, and smile. And so I'm just going to be getting this MAC, this little MAC Prep and Prime spray, and I'm just going to spray my face just so all the powders melt. So I'm just going to be getting this brush right here. This is from Morphe, and it's the M507 color Jedi, and I'm just going to place it underneath. I am loving this look, you guys. And the highlight that I'm going to be using is my favorite right here. It is broken, but who cares, I still use it. And it's the Maybelline Master Chrome, and the color Molten Gold. This one right here. Like I said, it is broken, but I don't care, I still use it. Lately I've been loving this brush right here. Love it to add my highlight. Just a bit of the nose on the tip, the cupid's bow, and then right here in the bottom. Girl, look at you, girl. And I'm going to be getting the first blush that we used, but it's like a double-sided, but I'm going to use this one right here on the top with the highlighter right here. I'm just going to add a little bit to the brow bone. On the other side, for the inner corner, I'm going to be using this brush right here. You guys already know it's my favorite brush to add my highlight in the inner corner, and it's the pencil from Sigma E30 right here. And we are using the same highlighter. And then we're just going to add it right here. So we're going to add the spray on one more time. Add some mascara on the bottom lashes and I'll be back. So for the waterline, I'm going to be adding the Urban Decay, the 24/7, and it's the color of Voodoo. And I'm just going to add this to the bottom. So for the lips, I'm going to be getting this lip liner right here. It's the Rimmel London and then the color Spice. Okay, so now I lined my lips. I'm going to be coming in with this one right here. It's the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid, and it's in the color Nude Blush. I love the combination together. I think it's a very nice. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? And I love it. I absolutely love it. This is it. So I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I hope you guys have an amazing Easter with your loved ones. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.